Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to counter this error which normally comes when you're working with the Mikrotik OS. I'm going to show you the steps that you should follow so that you can avoid this error. It normally occurs, so when you press enter it it, uh, it will return to that point also, so it keeps on repeating without any significant solution. But in this video I'm going to show you the steps that you should follow so that you bypass that error. So it's loading, but eventually it's not going to find any add so it is coming back with that error. So the first step to do is to shut off or to power off this machine, this virtual machine. So I will come here and power off this Mikrotik virtual machine and then go to settings. Once I'm here, I will locate the hard disk and then remove it. So I'm going to add the hard disk again, a new hard disk, but now the property is going to be an IDE virtual disk. So you are supposed to click here so that you can change. Then you click next, next, and then yeah, next, and then you click finish. So once you are done with this, once you are done with setting up a new hard disk, you come here, now you run the virtual machine again. So this time it's going to recognize that hard drive and then everything will run smoothly. As you can see, everything is fine. So in the installation you are told to select A, to select all, and then I to install. So you click yes and then yes, you continue. So the installation is started. So at first it's formatting data partition, it continues up to 100. Installation of the system, and as you can see the system is installing very well. Click enter. Here is our system, the system is loading. So this was a short video to show you how to bypass that error once it occurs. Thank you for watching.